Mobiva SmartDoc integrates directly upstream of your existing DMS. You configure, per business process, exactly which documents are required: identity cards, salary slip, bank statement, and conditional SOP rules handle the exceptions automatically. A no-code workflow wizard defines the entire processing pipeline: per document AI extraction, cross-document consistency checks, and intelligent routing. Changes are published to the engine with one click. The cross-document layer validates names, dates, policy numbers, and completeness across every document in the case. The routing layer assigns reviewer teams, sets SLA timers, and triggers notifications. Every document exported to your DMS carries role-based access metadata. Reviewers receive the full original. Submitters receive the PII redacted mask copy. Encryption level, retention period, and audit logging are all configurable per document type. Export produces 4 files per document: original PDF, original JSON, masked PDF, and masked JSON, all packaged with the case ID and confidentiality metadata your DMS needs to enforce access control automatically. Mobiva SmartDoc extends the life of your DMS investment.